Today, we're diving into the latest buzz about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6. There's been a mix of information floating around, but we've got the latest updates from the Unpacked event and some exciting news about potential versions of this highly anticipated device. Let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about today's Unpacked event. While many expected multiple versions of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, it seems only one version was revealed. However, rumors about a Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra are still circulating. Over the past few months, there have been whispers about three potential versions: the standard Fold 6, a more affordable version that Samsung eventually reconsidered, and the mysterious Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra had dropped off the radar for a while, but recent reports suggest Samsung might still be working on it. According to WinFuture, Samsung is feeling the heat from the upcoming Honor Magic V3 in China. This super thin competitor has Samsung thinking about whether an Ultra version of their own, featuring a larger display and slimmer design, would be a good move. However, details are still unclear. The model number SMF958 has been linked to the Ultra in past reports, but it's not certain if this Ultra is the same as the slim model expected later this year. Now, let's talk about how you can get your hands on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung is currently accepting reservations on their website until July 9. Reserving a device is free and comes with some fantastic perks. You'll get $50 in credit just for signing up, and you'll be entered into a sweepstakes to win $5,000 in Samsung credit. Plus, you could save up to $1,500 on your purchase. Samsung has also shared some exciting pre-order deals through their reserve system. Initially, they hinted at savings of $1,500 or more, but recent emails have given us a clearer picture. Here's the breakdown. Trade-in savings. You could get up to $1,200 with an eligible trade-in when pre-ordering the Galaxy Z Fold 6. While the specifics aren't confirmed, it's likely that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy S24 Ultra will qualify for this amount. Other devices might also get you close to this trade-in value. Double storage for free. Samsung is offering a double storage upgrade valued at $240. This could mean a jump from 512 gigabytes to 1 TB. Normally, upgrading from 256 gigabytes to 512 gigabytes costs around $100 to $150, so this is a substantial value boost. Free Samsung Care Plus. As an added bonus, Samsung might include Samsung Care Plus for 12 months, valued at $156. This service offers extra protection for your foldable device, including unlimited repairs, same-day screen fixes for $29, coverage for theft and loss, 24/7 support, and more. In addition to these deals, there's a rumor that Samsung will include a pair of Galaxy Buds 3 Pro for free with the purchase of either the Galaxy Z Fold 6 or Galaxy Z Flip 6. Insider Roland Quant suggests that while the prices for these foldables might go up, the inclusion of these high-end wireless earbuds as a bonus makes the deal sweeter. This offer might not be available everywhere, but US customers are expected to receive these earbuds at no extra cost. So that's the latest scoop on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and its potential Ultra version, along with some fantastic pre-order deals and freebies. Are you excited about the new foldable? Do you think Samsung should release an Ultra version to compete with the Honor Magic V3? Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to reserve your Galaxy Z Fold 6 on Samsung.com to take advantage of these amazing offers. Also, make sure to check out the links in the description for more details and related videos. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit: China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.